Hello again and welcome to Super Teacher channel. In this lesson today we are going to take 2.5 solving for a variable. That means if we have equations, sometimes we have many variables, not only one variable. It's different than 2.4 solving variables with both sides because it was the same variable in the right and in the left. This lesson, no, it will be different variables. So I'm going to indicate a variable and then I'm going to find it because we have many variables in this equations, not only one variable. Let's start with question 1. Solve each equation for the variable indicated because we have many variables, so I need a specific variable. Okay, number 1, n minus 6m equals 8 for n. So this is the indicated variable, n. So I'm going to keep the n alone. Okay, so n minus 6m equals 8. So we have minus 6m. What is the opposite of minus 6m? Yes, it is plus 6m both sides. Okay, then I'm going to cancel these two together because minus 6 plus 6, it will be 0. So remain for me n equals 8 plus 6m. So I cannot add 8 with 6 because these are different terms, not like terms. This only number and this is number with variable, not number times variable. So I cannot add the 8 with the 6, so I just keep 8, then I write plus 6m. And this is the result of the equation. So n equals 8 plus 6m. Question 2, 2b plus 5r equals q for b. So this is the indicated variable, that is b. I want to keep the b alone. We have 2b plus 5r plus q. So we have how many variables? We have b, we have r, we have q. But I want to keep this variable alone. We have 5r on the same side, so I'm going to take it to the other side. How I'm going to take it to the other side? Plus 5r, the inverse of plus 5r, it's negative 5r, both sides. Okay, now we can cancel this together. Now what's left for me? 2b equals, can I subtract q minus 5r? No, because these are unlike terms. They are not like. This only q and this is 5 with r. So I just keep it q minus 5r. Done with the second question. Okay, question 3, negative 10 equals xy plus z for x. So this is the indicated variable. I want to keep the x alone. Now this time we have all the variables on the right side, so I will keep the x on the right side and all the variables I will take it to the other side. Okay, so first of all we have on the right side xy plus z. The first variable that I'm going to take it to the other side is plus z. I will make it minus z both sides. Cancel this with this. So now what's left for me? Left for me xy equals, we have negative 10 minus z. Okay, now we still have y with the x. Y is times x, y times x. So what is the inverse of multiplication? Yes, division. So I'm going to divide both sides by y. I will cancel the y with the y divided y equals 1. So x equals negative 10 minus z over y. This is the third question. Okay, last question, question 4. H minus 4 over j equals k for j. So this is the indicated variable. I'm going to keep it alone. J is already down. H minus 4 over j equals k. How I'm going to take it up? Just multiply j by k. Multiply the variable down with the variable on the other side up. So it will be, we will change the position of the j. It will be up. So h minus 4 equals kj. Now our second step, still we have k with the j. I want to keep, remember, I want to keep the j alone. We have k times j. What is the inverse of times? Yes, multiply. Multiply. The inverse is divide. So I'm going to divide by k both sides. So j equals h minus 4 over k. Done.